know how to play this game, Mom. 1 minute you are here, next minute you are there.
Mind your damn business. You desperate single mother.
Single mother? You think that one is an insult? Eh? Public toilet like you.
Wait, what did you just call me?
I called you a public toilet.
If them born you were, say it again.
You are a public toilet.
You crazy?
Did you just slap me? You just slapped me. Slap me. What would you You're crazy. You're very
Hey, stop! What is going on here? What is going on?
Stupid girl.
Mary! Mary! What is this nonsense? Have I not warned you to control your child from messing up my living room? No, sorry for yourself. What is wrong with you? Don't force me, Mary. God knows I'm only trying to tolerate things here. Cross the line and I'll be forced to do something I'm not supposed to do.
Sorry.
I lost you so suddenly. My world turned upside down. I feel lost and all alone, with no one else around. I can't imagine moving on without you by my side. Every day feels like a battle, just trying to survive.
Mary! Mary!
Call?
What is this? You touch my things.
Yes, the wardrobe was scattered, so...
I didn't ask you to do any of it. I didn't ask you to arrange my things. I didn't ask you to touch my clothes. Did I? Let me make this clear. You're not going to change my mind about you. Do you get me? I cannot trade my life and my future because of a single mother housemaid. Do I make myself clear? Look, stop putting in the effort. It's not needed. You're here for a reason. Just focus on it. Do I make myself clear?
But I didn't get myself pregnant.
I don't care. You should have said no, but you did not. Now all this is making me uncomfortable. I've told you countless times that I don't need all this effort. Just focus on the rules. Stick to the rules. Now get out of my room. Get out!
I made dinner.
I am not interested. Thank you.
And face my fears. I know that tomorrow will bring a brighter day. Find my way through the sorrow and keep the darkness at bay. The hardship in life has weighed me down so low. Oh.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
Welcome. Hey. I'm very well, ma. How was your trip, ma?
My dear.
Hope it wasn't stressful.
Oh, not really. The only stress I had was waiting for Femi's driver at the airport for over an hour. That was crazy.
Ah, so sorry about that, ma.
Okay. Mary.
Ma?
Why are you still in maid's uniform? You're no longer a maid in this house.
Oh, Miss Femi, he said his girlfriend is not comfortable with me staying in this house. So, I mean, unless on the condition that I wear the uniform, that's the only way I can get me and my child to be here. I'm okay with it as long as my child is under her father's roof.
So where is my grandchild?
She's asleep, ma.
I hope she ate something before sleeping.
Yes, she did.
Okay. I bought a lot of goodies for her. I can't wait for her to check them all up tomorrow.
Oh, Mama, thank you so much.
You're welcome. So, where is my son?
He's in his room upstairs.
Okay. I'll go check him up, okay? All right.
Thank you, ma. Welcome back.
Thank you, dear.
Ma, do you want me to serve your dinner now?
Yes. Thank you. I am famished.
Okay.
All right. So how is everything? Hope you're coping, right? All right. Hey, where is he? Feed my son. How are you?
I'm good. Welcome. How was your trip?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Femi.
Yes.
Why is Mary still wearing maid's uniform? Why?
Mom, you know why she's wearing it. You asked for her to come back to the house. I disagreed, but you begged. So the only way for me to have peace of mind is when I see her on her maid uniform.
Mary is the mother of your child. I won't force you to marry her against her wish, but she deserves to be treated well.
Mom, we're not even married. The only way she's in this house is because she got pregnant and then had a child for me. She was even putting on the maid uniform before the pregnancy. So what is the big deal now?
Princess is your child.
I am not disputing that.
And Mary is also.
Mom, please. I don't want you to keep pushing. It's not going to work. I don't want to talk about them anymore. You begged me the last time. I was against it, but you pleaded and I agreed because you told me some superstitious story.
Femi is not superstitious. When a child keeps falling ill and every remedy has been tried, no change, culture believes that she is missing one or both of her parents and she must be brought closer to the parents. Come to think of it, it's almost 2 months. Yes, she has not even caught a slightest of cold. This is a child that will barely stay for 1 week without falling ill when she was with the mother. Think about it.
Mom, it's not going to work. I'm not taking her back. No. And have you forgotten that I have a girlfriend?
That slut. I've not approved of her.
Mom, she's not a slut.
Someone that behaves and dresses like one.
Mom.
Oh, okay. Please, I am hungry. I want to go and eat. Have you eaten?
No.
Let's go.
I'll meet you downstairs.
We're waiting for you downstairs.
Some mystery in the air, a feeling that I can't compare, a force that pulls us together.
Babe, is everything alright? What are you looking for?
Babe, did you see one envelope that has about $1,000 or something?
Oh, that. I used it.
What? I don't understand.
Babe, I used it to get something for myself.
Babe, that was some foreign currency. I wanted to use it for something today. You could have just told me you needed cash.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay?
Clara, you need to apologize properly.
Okay then, come to the bed.
No, stop. I'm late, please. Please don't do this again next time, okay?
I'm sorry, babe.
Please come and help me do something.
Sure.
Stop.
I said I'm sorry. Hmm?
Where's my car key? Really late. Have a nice day.
Babe, don't forget to get me my favorite shawarma, my favorite smoothie, okay?
Femi. Good morning.
Morning. What is it?
The school called. They said that the bus is faulty, so they won't be able to pick the children this morning. They apologized and said the parents should take them to school instead.
So?
Well, since you're on your way to work, I just thought that you could help me take Princess to school.
Mary, is this a joke or what? Why are you acting as if we're cool? Because we're not. You're nothing but a maid I had something with, and then you became my baby mama. And I'm still struggling to accept the child. And you're here pushing. Look, do not involve me in your life equation. It's never going to balance.
Please, just help me.
You can sort whatever you want to sort.
Please, I have an interview.
Leave me out.
Femi.
Don't worry, my daughter. I'll take my granddaughter to school, okay? Go and get ready for your interview. Don't be late, Freya. Let's go.
Oh, no.
Don't worry. It's fine. I'm okay. I am strong. I will personally take my granddaughter to school. Okay?
No, I don't want to stress you.
You're not stressing me. Go on. Go and get ready for your interview. Go. Okay? We'll be fine. We'll be fine.
People that's good there.
You well, yeah?
Mommy, thank you so much.
With no one else around, I can't imagine moving on without you by my side. Every day feels like a battle. Just trying to survive.
Didn't go well.
Why? What happened?
I don't even know. They didn't even tell us the reason.
For no reason? What kind of organization is that? Don't worry. Trust me, very soon you will get a beautiful one. Better than the one you went for. Then you go for your master's, okay? Don't worry. In the next 1 hour, the school bus will bring my beautiful granddaughter home. I can't wait to see her.
Mommy, thank you so much for everything you do.
For what? I am doing my job. I'm doing my job. Go on. Go and freshen up, oh?
Mommy, have you had anything?
Don't worry, I'm fine. Fine. Go and freshen up, oh God. So you have something, okay?
Thank you.
With no one else around, I can't imagine moving on.
Such a grateful woman. I wonder why Femi can't just take a second glance at her. I will use my contact to get her a job. Yes.
but I'll keep holding on through the pain and the tears.
Babe, where is dinner?
Yeah.
Cereal, really? You didn't cook?
Babe, I came back late from the party. I was tired.
Flora, do you understand that I've been working my ass off in the office since morning? And the least I can come home to is a proper meal for dinner.
Babe, I'm so sorry. I'm sincerely sorry. You come to think of it, you're super rich. You should have a maid now.
Flora, I will do no such thing, okay? And this is nonsense.
Babe. Hello? Yes, I'm fine. Yes. Yeah, baby, I miss you. Okay. Yes.
What? She left. Why?
She didn't say why actually, but rumor has it that her fiancé cheated on her with a woman old enough to be his mother. I guess she couldn't take it, that's why she left.
Wow, that's really serious, and she could have notified us at least.
Sir, should I put out the vacancy as soon as possible?
Yes, sir. No. You know, Teniola is one of the best personal assistants I've had in a while, and I don't want to admit she's gone like that. She might just come back. Let's just give her time. Yeah, you may leave. Tell the driver to get the car ready. We're heading out shortly.
All right.
I've been going from one hotel to another. Eh? And you are my girlfriend. I'm proud to show you to the world. You're the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Babe. Look, please. Eh? I miss you. My bed has missed you. I just want you to come back.
Femi, is it my fault? Your baby mama suddenly showed up in the house and you accepted her like that, not even caring how I'd feel. Since she has been here, your mother has been frequenting your house. Your mom and your baby mama. Oh, please, I can't deal.
Come on.
Femi, if you really wanted me, you won't have accepted them into your house.
Come on. You know why I did that? They told me the child was sick. And the only way for her to get better is when the father take care of the child. And that was why. You know it. Look, at first I didn't believe until I saw it myself. She has not fallen sick since they arrived. You have to trust me.
Whatever. What about the money you promised me?
I'm going to send it later.
When? I need it now.
Fine. I'll send it now.
I'm waiting.
Nom, nom, nom.
Welcome, Daddy!
It's Uncle Femi, not Daddy. Repeat after me. Say, welcome, Uncle Femi.
Welcome, Uncle Femi.
Good girl. Not Daddy, okay?
But she's your child, isn't she? The DNA test proves that you are her biological father.
I will never be a father to a child of a mere maid.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You slept with a mermaid.
It wasn't intentional, okay? You should have refused. That's what your mates do. Instead, you just accepted and then opened your legs at the age of 18. And now you're baby mama at the age of 22. And even when the deed was done, are you too slow to understand that you should have just gotten rid of the pregnancy? Look, I'd rather enroll to be a reverend father than to settle down with a demeaning woman like you.
My world turned upside down. I feel lost and all alone, with no one else around. I can't imagine moving on without you by my side.
Good morning, Femo.
You know you're a witch, right? You think you can manipulate my mother and I?
What did I do this time?
Can you cut the pretense? You think by telling my mom that you need a job, I'm going to hire you into one of my prestigious companies with your HND degree certificate? You're not part of my life. You are a mistake. And you always remain a mistake. I need you to know the difference. Let me be, Mary.
Hi, baby.
Sorry, where are you coming from?
I have a house, remember?
I know, but you didn't tell me you were not coming here last night.
What are you feeling like? See, it's empty. Do the needful and I'll have no reason to start jumping up and down.
Sarah, that's not what I meant.
What do you mean then?
You look good, by the way.
Thank you, baby. Did you prepare this?
Yes, I did. Since you were not home, I had to sort myself.
No, it's so nice. You see why I love you, baby?
Okay, you can leave my food. You can go.
Babe.
You can go.
I see this one. Let me do this one. Oh, my dear.
I'm heading to the market.
Oh, please don't forget to buy those big snails. Oh, and buy sweet things for my granddaughter. You know those sweet things that children like. Buy all of them. All right, dear. Take care. Bye. Okay, wait. Oh, yeah, tickle me. Okay.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? So because your life is full of shit and regret, so now you want to wash it away with my influence. You want to add to my burden, turning me into a murderer. You have failed. Mary, you lied. And don't think for once that I'm not watching you. I am. And I know one day I will throw you and your child out of this house. Nonsense. Mom, honestly, it's not necessary.
Of course it is. If she could get a land in that estate, I need 2 or 3 in that estate.
This competition thing, it's not necessary. It doesn't make sense to me. You guys have been competing since I was a child.
She's been the one competing with me all this while. I need 2 or 3 lands in that estate.
Mom, you have several lands. Just let it go.
Let what go? It's like you don't know your mother, do you? I want you to help me get a realtor. I would like to see him or her myself, okay?
Just don't worry about it. I'll handle that myself.
No. Femi, no. I know you. You're a very busy man. I don't want to hear excuses. Oh, Mom, I forgot. This, something like that. No. I know how to get one myself. Thank you.
Femi's mom, the tigress herself.
Aha. That's me. Say it again.
Femi's mom, the tigress herself.
Thank you. Let's eat.
It's really nice.
Yes, it is.
Babe, the trip to your friend's place, how long are you staying?
Maybe 6 weeks.
What? Babe, this relationship is still very new. I mean, we're just 6 months in and you've gone out like 3 months out of that 6 months. Come on.
Babe, please be reasonable. I told you my friend had surgery and she has no one beside her.
So that means I'm not going to see you for the next 6 weeks. Is that what you're saying?
Babe, it's just 1 month plus.
Thora, this is not fair. Thora, do you realize you're my girlfriend? You're someone I want to marry, and if that's the case, then we have to do things together. We have to be present at all times.
Babe, I know. My friend is an orphan and fibro surgery is no jokes. Babe, please try to understand, okay? Please.
Flora, this is not fair.
I know, babe. Just 1 month plus, please.
This is not fair at all.
Babe, please, I beg you. Just 1 month, please. Please.
Okay, bye. Mary! Mary!
You called.
Yes. I just want to let you know that my girlfriend, the love of my life, of course, you know her. I am expecting her. She's coming over to spend some time. Just chill, enjoy, have fun, make love. She's coming for a few weeks. And all I want in this house is quietness. No drama at all.
Okay.
Why are you acting cold? Are we dating? We're not. You're just my baby mama. That's it. And I also need you to caution your daughter. I don't want to see her everywhere in this house. You guys should just stick to your room. Do I make myself clear? I'm talking to you.
Yes. Is that all?
Yes.
My world turned upside down. I feel lost and all alone, with no one else around. I can't imagine moving on without you by my side. Every day feels like a battle, just trying to survive. But I'll keep holding on through the pain and the tears. I'll find the strength to carry on and face my fears. I know that tomorrow will bring a brighter day. Find my way through the sorrow and keep the darkness at bay. The hardship in life has weighed me down so low. Oh, I feel like I'm drowning.
Mom. Mom. My girlfriend is coming over. I just said I should let you know.
It's none of my business. Please take me out of this place.
Why don't you like her?
I like Mary.
Excuse me?
Femi, are you blind? Mary is everything a man wants in a woman. Why can't you just open your eyes and take a second glance at her? Are you blind? She's good.
You want me to take a second glance at my maid?
But you had the courage to sleep with her, didn't you?
That was a silly mistake. And I'm still struggling with it. Mom, I love Flora. I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
You're on your own.
Mom, about the Ville tour, I just want you to take it easy on them. I believe you're going to get good lands.
Thank you. Let's go, please.
Sir, a woman is here to see you. She said that she is Mrs. Fumilayo Bello.
Oh, okay, let her come in. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Please have a seat, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Oh, all right.
Yes, ma'am. Can I offer you anything, ma'am?
Oh, no, don't worry. I'm good. I'm fine.
Thank you.
Jerry, do you remember me?
Not so sure, ma'am.
Okay, that was a long time ago. Your parents used to be our family friend.
Oh.
May their soul continue to rest in peace. Amen. Amen. And your father used to manage our real estate portfolio. my husband, Mr. Bello, was in the same plane that crashed. He was on his way to China to close down a business deal. We wanted to make it a family fun trip. I was supposed to be in that plane, but fortunately for me, it turned out that my international passport has expired. That was why I was not with them. All right, let me show you the pictures we took before the plane crash. Yeah. Okay. These are the pictures we took before the plane crash.
May their soul rest in peace.
Amen. Amen.
Yeah, memories would forever live with me.
Definitely. Thank you. Jerry, you've done well. Stepping into your father's shoes. You've done well. You know, formerly your office used to be at the mainland, Agra precisely. Where you've expanded the company, you've moved to the island, right? It was even my lawyer that told me about your office on the island. Then I went online and I checked. I saw a lot of mortgages, properties, real estate for sale. So, I want 2 plots in Diamond Estate.
Diamond Estate? The same Diamond Estate? Ma, it's not a problem. It's just that in the last 2-3 months, the price of properties have skyrocketed.
All right, fine. I want 3 plots of land in that same estate.
3?
Yes.
Okay, if you say so, let me show you the position of some of my properties there. Just a minute, ma.
Beautiful.
What's it for? Is it residential?
Yes, I want for residential, for rentage, and also I'm thinking about building a mall, you know. No, you don't understand,
Oh my god. Babe, I miss this place.
Mary, please, come. This is my lovely girlfriend. The person my heart beats for. There is no need for introductions, you know. You already know her. I told you before that she's going to stay for 2 weeks, or maybe more. You know, when you love someone, you love to show him or her to the world, and that is what I'm doing. So that's all. You can go.
No, babe. I want her to take my bag upstairs.
Yeah, sure, babe.
Yes.
Mary, please.
I miss you so much.
Miss you
Oh my god. I have never seen a woman as shameless as you are. You're so desperate. I mean, you forcefully got pregnant for your boss 5 years ago. You gave out your body for someone that doesn't even reach you. And instead of getting rid of the pregnancy, you kept it, hoping you would have access to him. You even dragged this poor mother into your mess. But you failed. You failed woefully. Look at her. You still won't give up, would you? You even had to cook up another lie for you to stay under his roof. Look at you, a young girl in her 20s that is supposed to be happening out there. See, let me make this clear to you. Femi would never stoop so low to be with somebody like you. Never. So, whatever you're planning, wrap it up. Because it won't work. It will never work.
Babe, please, calm down. You can't just live like that.
See, I don't even want to be in this house. I don't even like this house. I just want to be with my precious child. I don't even need Femi for anything, to be honest.
I know, Mary, I know.
No, I don't understand. What did I do? What exactly is my offense in this house? Everybody is treating me like this. Eh?
Think about Princess, please. You spent everything you had taking her from one hospital to another. Doctors couldn't even tell what was wrong with her until that elderly woman advised you to take her to her father if he was alive. Since you got to his house, Princess hasn't been sick for even 1 hour. Do you prefer taking her out of her father's house and she gets sick and dies? Don't forget you are taking the pains and embarrassment for your daughter's sake. Is there anything you cannot do for your own daughter?
So, okay, how long is this thing going to go on for? Because at this point, the way you're sounding is like Princess is going to be with her father forever. Is she?
When she comes of age, I'm sure things will be better. Please, Mary, just endure for now. This too shall pass.
Honestly, I don't like this house. I don't like this house. The only sane person in this house is his mother. And I'm not even sure what I would have done if she didn't like me.
That's another reason to be grateful, okay? Just holding on. All this will be over soon. And that disrespectful girlfriend of his, ignore her. She's nothing but trouble. Let her be. Please, Mary, stay for the sake of Princess. Please.
Mr. Jerry, I'm sorry I couldn't come for the inspection. I was a bit under the weather.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, but I'm glad you're fine now.
Yes, I'm fine. I'm good.
I'm sure that when you see the position of the land today, you will love them.
That's okay. I trust your judgment.
Okay. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes. I need to upload something on my mail.
Oh.
And then you head out shortly.
All right. Mr. Jerry.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
When I came in, I overheard your secretary talking about a vacancy here. Do you have one?
Yes, I am looking for a personal assistant.
Oh, personal assistant?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I know the requirements, please?
Do you have someone in mind?
Oh, yes, my daughter.
Your daughter is looking for a job?
Well, she's like a daughter to me. She's been job hunting for a while now. If her CV is worthy, I don't see why she shouldn't be considered. See, Mr. Jerry, this lady I'm talking about, she's amazing, intelligent, impressive, and very kind. She holds HND certificates, so I'll be very glad if you can consider her.
HND certificates? Okay, that's fine. The interview is on Friday, so then she can come in with her credentials. Once she's qualified, no problem. But please make sure she comes early so I can I want to see all the applicants.
Oh, that's no problem. Thank you so much. You are indeed blessed.
I can't say no to your request, ma. As long as she's qualified, we are good to go.
Thank you. So, I'll wait.
Okay, ma.
Anytime you're ready, we'll move.
A minute. Jane?
My sweet granddaughter, how are you? How are you? Did anybody look for your trouble?
No.
Oh, I thought she did. Oh, all right. Mary, there's a company recruiting for the position of a personal assistant, and I want to attend the interview.
Mommy, thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. I told him that you're my sister's daughter, in case he asks. Okay. And his name is Mr. Jerry.
Jerry.
He wants you to see him and introduce yourself before the interview starts.
Thank you so much.
All right. I wish you good luck. Finish them, okay? All right, my darling. All right, my darling. I bought a lot of things for you. Let's go. Let me give you. Let's go. Let's go with the baby. All right. All right. The way you like it.
Hello, babe. I'm so sorry, babe. You know I'm in the hospital and I can't be taking your calls. I'll be disturbing the patients.
I'm so sorry about that. How's your friend now? How's she doing?
She's recuperating. Thanks for asking.
Seriously, I miss you, okay? I miss you so much.
Babe, I miss you too. Don't worry, okay? I'll come and see you, okay? I love you so much. Take care of yourself. I'll call you back. The doctor just came in.
Okay. Take care.
I love you.
Mommy, guess what?
What is it?
Mommy, guess what?
What is it? Tell me. I don't know how to guess. What? What? You got the job? Oh, congratulations! Make me proud. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. He has done it for us. Congratulations. He has done it for me. Who come back with a new song to sing. God is good, oh. You have come back with a new song to sing. God is good, oh. Congratulations. Oh, congratulations, my dear. I am so proud of you. We are going to do it. You're welcome. Oh yeah, let's go upstairs. Freshen up. Eat. Let's go. You're welcome. Oh, my dear. I trust you. I know what you can do. Oh.
She got the job.
It's none of my business. I don't care about life. I'm sure it's all these small jobs with small salary.
Yes, come in.
Sir, your new personal assistant is here.
Okay, tell her to come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you and how's Mrs. Milo?
I'm fine, and she's doing well, sir.
Please sit. You did very well in your interview. I mean, Mrs. Bailey was the reason why you were shortlisted in the first place to be interviewed. You saw the number of people that came in for the interview. That tells you something. You need to be focused. There are so many people waiting to get this position.
Yes, sir.
I need to let you know that this is OJ Real Estate Company. We don't take excuses. Strictly results. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so the secretary would tell you what to do. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Hakim. Ah, man. See, she looks exactly like Rose. Same thing. Are you for real? I'm telling you. If not that Rose was evil and that she's the only child, I would have said she's the same person. Really? Yes. The resemblance is very, very striking. And Mary is Yoruba, Mary Ademoye. If not, bro, I would have started an investigation immediately. I'm so sorry. No, it's fine. It's just that memories of Rose keep coming back and...
But wait. Is it this serious?
Bro, serious is an understatement. I'm telling you, I said carbon copy. You need to see her yourself.
Wow. Okay, and this is the same person that is meant to be your assistant?
She is my PA now. She's my PA.
I don't know how you're going to cope. Are you sure you can cope with that?
Bro, I don't have a choice. I will. Even if I don't want to, I will.
That's serious.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
A client interested in the properties at Grace Estate just reached out. So what time should you schedule for the inspection?
Is 3 p.m. free for me today?
Actually, your whole day is fixed.
Okay, 12 noon tomorrow is fine.
Okay.
Mary?
Sir?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you a twin, or do you have a twin sister somewhere, or twin brother?
No, sir.
Okay, you can get back to work.
Why did you ask, sir?
Not that serious.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You've gotten a job, right? And who did you leave your child with to care for? Or you've forgotten that Mommy traveled back to Abuja this morning? Do I look like a nanny to you? Do you know how embarrassing it is to bathe your child, change her clothes, feed her, because Flora refused to do it? Look, if you know you can't fix it, if you know you can't fix all this, maybe you should quit your useless job and take care of your child.
Hello, babe. Yeah, I just called to let you know that I missed you so much. And I'm free this weekend. I can come over. What do you think?
No, please.
Babe, like I said, I'm free this weekend. Let me come over.
You know what? Don't worry, okay? I'll come over instead. Actually, one of my friend's relative called and said she'll be here next week. So I'll just use the opportunity to come see you instead.
Alright, I just wanted to let you know that I can't wait to see you. That's why I'm calling you.
Thank you for understanding, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
I don't understand. Where is the food I dropped here? I don't understand. Oh, what happened to the food I dropped here?
Man, this food tastes so nice. You cook so well, my darling.
Wait. You ate the food I cooked for my child?
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay?
And so what's the big deal? You can prepare something else.
Are you mad?
You're asking if I'm mad. You must be very stupid.
You are the one that is very stupid.
You're crazy.
You are stupid.
Who gives a child that kind of food? Is she a glutton? Hey, you. Are you a glutton?
Hey. Don't you ever in your life speak to my child.
Something wrong with you?
Something is wrong with you.
You must be very mad. Get out!
You don't ordinary food.
You're stupid.
You have to eat food that's meant for a child.
And so?
What is going on?
Wow. I kept...
You stupid man. Just got me a prostitute. I just slapped you.
Oh, what did she...
Me, I slapped you.
Leave my sight. I said leave my sight now. You and your child. Leave. Go.
Sorry.
I don't want her here. They hate us so much. Really, I don't know why Femi wouldn't send her away. Man.
You know it's not easy for single mothers out there.
It's her choice. She chose to become a single mother. Besides, Femi told her to terminate the pregnancy and she refused. So let her carry her cross.
You need to be considerate.
Why?
Because she's a woman like you.
Oh, so I should sit and watch her take Femi from me. That's a lie. Femi would never marry her as long as I'm alive.
Wait though. First of all, there was Jerry. Now, there is Femi. Where are you really driving at?
Femi pushed me to date Jerry.
How?
The whole baby mama thing kept resurfacing, so I needed a plan B.
And the adage that said you cannot chase two rats at the same time. It flew over your head, Abby.
You already said it's an adage. It's not real. Yeah, so I beg, just let it be like that. I beg, go to you cook.
I don't cook anything. No stress me, I beg.
Which one be saying no cook anything?
I beg, no stress me. I won't sleep.
If I go check kitchen, let's see they play.
No enter my kitchen, no. Okay, oh. Should I cook something for two of us?
Yeah, so we might have to reschedule the meeting. Yes, 4 hours from now is fine. Okay, no lateness, please. Thank you.
Sir, you
Yes.
sent for me.
Okay, so Mary, from next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'll be working from home.
Okay, sir.
I would send you my home address so you can come meet me.
Okay, sir.
And please remember to send the report of yesterday's inspection to my mail.
Okay, sir.
Alright, here.
Jesus. Good evening. Alright. I'm sorry. Good evening.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
These are the designs you requested for.
Okay. Alright, no problem. I would call you. Okay?
Oh my God. What the hell?
What's wrong?
What? Oh my God. She looks exactly like Rose.
I told you. I did.
Come on, man. You need to ask her some questions.
Hakim, I have asked this lady several times. They are not in any way related.
Are you sure?
Trust me, I did my findings. They are not related in any way. Okay? Back to work.
This is unbelievable.
Absolutely. Okay, yes, this one. This one works. This is 612.
You're still here? Why can't you save what's left of your dignity by letting my son do the needful? Are you really this desperate? Desperate to answer Mrs. Bello? Oh, come on. That name is so sacred. It wouldn't suit a woman like you. Look at what you're putting on. No dignity, no respect for womanhood. Where is my son?
He's at work.
He's at work, ma. I guess Mary is at work also. Princess at school. And you're here volunteering yourself for free. Can take my bag to the room. And fix me something to eat.
I'll just order.
Oh, order.
Yes, sir.
You didn't cook anything.
No, ma.
You don't know how to cook? I thought as much. Take my bag to the room. Femi, why won't you even consider her? I mean Mary.
Mom. No. Not now, not ever.
Femi, think carefully. She's an amazing girl. I like her.
I don't. Mom, she's from the gutters.
She's your child's mother, Femi.
I don't care. Mom, I do not care. We're not compatible. She's not in my level. She's just a maid, Mom. I've made my decision. I want to be with Flora. And I need you to respect that. Mom, I honestly can't believe that you called me here just to talk about Mary. Please. Respectfully, I don't want anything to do with Mary. I mean, not anymore. She's just a mistake that I'm trying to correct. Have a good night, Mom. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Mary. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, hold on. Mrs. Bello? Really? Yeah. Hello, ma. Yes, I'm fine, thank you, ma.
I was thinking if we could meet at a nice restaurant for lunch tomorrow.
Ma?
Oh, not to worry. I just want to appreciate you for making your parents proud wherever they are today. You've done so well for yourself, and God will continue to bless you.
God will continue to bless you too, ma. Thank you so much, ma. I appreciate it.
Have a nice day.
Mary, please, can you come over to the dining for a better positioning, please? Don't sit there. I hope you're well rested.
Yes, sir.
We have a lot to do today.
Babe, promise me you're going to come back.
Okay.
Are you still upset with my mom? I already apologized. I'm so sorry. Don't mind her.
It's okay.
Is that why you're leaving?
No. I want my friends to get to help me do something.
Well, just promise me you'll come back. Please.
I'll try.
Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, babe. How are you? Oh, you're craving vegetable soup. That's fine. Then buy the ingredients and come home. You want me to make it for? Come on, babe. No, now I'm working. Come on, babe. Be reasonable. I have a lot of work to do. See, as a matter of fact, my PA is here and we're engrossed in so much work. There's a lot to cover. Okay. When are you coming on? 3 hours from now. Alright, I'll see you soon. Yeah, love you. Mary?
Sir?
Can you please go to the market to get ingredients for vegetable soup? I'll send you some money. When you return, you can go home. I'll handle the rest.
Okay, sir.
I'll send you some money now. Hold on, 1 minute. Same account?
Yes, sir.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? A mother coming home by this time.
I was stuck in traffic.
I see. Let me give you a piece of advice. If you ever stupidly get pregnant in my house, I'll throw you and your child out of this house. Because I will not tolerate it. Prostitute.
Oh, Mary, come in. Good morning, come in. Mary, thank you so much for the vegetable you made yesterday. It was very awesome. My girlfriend, she loved it. So just settle in, do the work I asked you to do.
Okay,
I want to go shopping. I'm coming.
Okay.
Babe!
Okay. Is everything okay? Sorry, okay, this is my new personal assistant, Mary. I told you about her. Mary, this is my fiancée, Flora. Okay, just settle in, we're coming. Let's go.
Babe.
Yeah?
I'm pressed. I need to use the restroom quickly, okay?
Okay, please don't be long.
I won't. I'm coming. Oh. You really think you've hit a jackpot, right? I know you can't wait to get home and tell Femi everything. And if you tell him also, he's still going to leave you to go and meet somebody else. Listen to me. Let me make this clear to you. I want Femi and I also want Jerry. One is my plan A and one is my plan B. So if you know what is good for you, you see what you saw here today? If you ever open your mouth to tell Femi, you will not only lose your job, I will cause you everlasting pain by taking Princess away from you. Yes, nobody crosses my path and goes scot-free. Have a nice day.
Are you okay?
Yes, babe. Everything is fine. Let's go.
Hi, son. Welcome. How was the day?
They said you stopped by the office today.
Yes, I did, but you weren't around.
What did you tell the new accountant?
That fine-looking young man. Oh, I just asked him if he's single. I want him to get acquainted with Mary so that they can get married.
What? Why would you do that?
Why not?
Mom, are you for me or against me?
Femi, I don't understand you. You said you don't want her. I've asked you over and over again. You treat her like trash. I don't understand. Have you forgotten she's someone else's daughter? If you don't want to do right by her, allow someone else who can. Eh? Ha!
Are you really my mother?
I don't understand. I didn't raise you like this. I am shocked you've turned to become so careless, party-loving, alcoholic, irresponsible young man. What happened? Where did I go wrong?
I am responsible, Mom.
You're not responsible. You treat your daughter like nobody. Her mom like shit. No responsible man would do that. I didn't raise you like this.
I don't really care. I don't need her.
She doesn't care either. If you're hungry, I'll call Mary to serve your food, okay?
I'll be upstairs.
So the foreign investors, you put them here. The Nigerian investors here. Okay? Don't mix them up. Foreign investors this side. Nigerian-based investors here. First thing on Monday, I want you to compile this particular list for me.
Okay, compile.
Yeah. Hey babe, what's up?
Yeah, I'm okay now, please. Stop. Babe, it's work time, please. Stop. Mary, please, I'm coming. Okay, just remember to compile this for me. Stop. This.
Baby.
That girl is a bastard. How could she threaten to take Princess away from you just because you know her secret?
My darling, even if she didn't threaten me, I won't still say anything.
God, that girl really needs to be taught a lesson.
See, it's not really my business. I don't even want to put myself in that situation. I have other things to think about right now. Other things to worry about. My darling, thank God for this job. Thank God for this job. That's the only thing that is even allowing me wear my normal clothes. You know, before it's only made uniform I wear from morning to night, but now I'm free to wear my normal clothes. So I'm just hoping that I'll keep working, I'll save up, and then by God's grace, next year, middle of the year, I'll be able to move out of this house. That's the plan right now. So tormenting anybody right now with anything is not really my issue. I don't want to even put myself in that situation.
Please, hang in there. Everything will be over soon. All will be well, okay?
Thank you, my darling. Thank you.
Anytime, babe. Good night.
Alright, so take care of yourself. Thank you.
Flora, you're playing with fire. Oh.
What do you mean? Do you think if Femi finds out, he would leave me and go and meet that desperate single mother? Never. He would rather go out and meet another baddie. And Jerry, I'll make Jerry fire her and make her lose on both ends.
Why are you so wicked?
I am not wicked. I'm only protecting my territory. Besides, I need these guys. I have my reasons for gathering them. And remember, I'm almost done with my building. And where do you think the money for furnituring and plastering will come from? I started that building with Femi's money before Jerry joined. So when I'm done with my building, the both of them can get lost for all I care.
Really?
Yes. But for now, I'm holding them tight. And anybody that comes close, I will destroy.
I dey fear you. You dey put fear for my body. I don't know you again. I don't even get anything to tell you, safe.
You really know how to play this game, huh? 1 minute you are here, next minute you are there.
Mind your damn business. You desperate single mother.
Single mother? You think that one is an insult? Eh? Public toilets like you.
Wait, what did you just call me?
I called you a public toilet.
If them born you were, say it again.
You are a public toilet.
You crazy?
Did you just slap me? You just slapped me. You slapped me.
What would you? You're crazy. You're very sick.
Hey, stop! What is going on here? What is going on?
Stupid girl.
I want all the dates of inspection on this side, and I want. Are you okay? Yeah, put the client's name here and. Barry? Hey, is everything okay? Oh, wait, come on, sit down, please. Sit down. Sorry. Jane! Please come. Please get me a bottle of water immediately and tell the driver to get the car ready.
Okay, sir.
Well, I have to do this myself.
Sir, the driver who went out with Mr. Toby to the site.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. You can go.
Okay, sir.
Are you okay? You know what? Let me just wrap this up. I will take you home myself. You can have the rest of the week off, please.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. 1 minute.
No, sir. I'll find my way back home.
You must be joking. Do you realize you're under my care now? You can't step out of this office like this, please. I will take you on incest. Just a minute. I might have to do the report myself. Don't worry about that.
So, can I use the restroom?
Oh yeah, sure. Take your time.
Wait, don't you? You just try them. Just one.
Stop it. Who's that?
It's Mary.
Why she called you?
I don't know. Maybe she wants to check up on her child.
She knows who to call. She should call your mom. My child is upstairs with her. Maybe. I don't know.
You have all the right to. Babe, I'm not feeling this one. It's not strong. I don't know if you can get the other wine upstairs in my room.
Okay, anything for you, baby. I'll be back. Don't miss me too much.
I will try not to.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What is going on here?
Okay, so my name is Jerry. I decided to bring her from work because she's not feeling too fine. And we got some drugs on the way back. Please, she needs to rest and eat. Please. Please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That is so kind of you.
Oh, thank you.
You are her boss, right?
Yes, I am. Absolutely.
My fiance, she's upstairs and she's bringing more wine. I don't know if you can have a drink.
Sorry, I would love to, but I have something very urgent to catch up with. Maybe some other time.
Okay.
All right. Jerry.
Femi.
Babe, I heard voices. Is everything alright?
Yeah, was Mary's boss. He came to drop her.
Okay, where is he now?
He just left.
Okay.
Is everything okay?
Yes, babe, everything is fine. Yeah. The wine. Yeah.
Now God save you. If not, you'll be drowning in your regrets.
It's okay. It wouldn't have been funny. Anyways, it's God that saved that Mary. Because she later came to me telling me that she was calling Femi, but he didn't pick. She was calling him to inform us that they're on their way. Oh, I didn't let him pick. I don't like that girl one bit.
But did she really call?
She called several times. I know she didn't do it out of her free will. She only acted like that because I threatened her.
You know it's not true.
You Sabisha.
Ma, this one matter don't tire me. I'm tired.
For Femi to send her away. I hate that girl so much.
You don't start. You don't start.
Good morning.
You're sleeping with your boss, right?
Excuse me?
The day I confirm that I'll throw you out of this house, I mean it. And for your information, I am getting married to Flora next year.
Oh, okay. That's good news. God bless your home in advance. Hello, good evening, sir. Oh, I'm better now, sir. Yes, I have, sir. Thank you, sir. You too, sir.
Okay.
Oh. How? How does he know about Princess?
Come in. Yes?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, I have a package for Mary Ademoni.
Mary,
Yes, sir.
let me have it.
Oh, okay. So you can sign. Yes, sir. Don't sign. Just sign. Thank you very much. Oh,
Mary! Mary!
Listen to me, listen good. When I get married to Flora, you and your child are leaving my house. She's looking beautiful nowadays. She needs to leave my house because she's obviously sleeping with another man. She's my baby mama. I mean, I can get her anytime I want. Come in.
You said you wanted to see me.
We need to talk.
Okay, I'm listening. I don't understand. What's going on?
Why are you acting like this?
Acting like what?
Tell me you don't miss me.
Are you okay?
I want you, Mary.
Can you stop?
I want you.
As in, how? Just leave me alone! Stop! Sleep! Ow! Ow! Yeah, if you ever try this nonsense in your life, you will regret it. Ah.
In the air, a feeling that I can't compare. A force that pulls.
Yes, come in. Oh, hi, Mary.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Thank you, sir. I'm okay, sir. I'm better.
Welcome back.
I'm really grateful for everything.
It's okay, it's fine. Not a problem.
Sir?
Mary, any problem?
Yes, I have one question.
Okay, sure, why not?
How did you know about Princess?
Listen. She fell really sick. It was cancer. Cervical cancer. I did all I could to save her. I mean, I spent money. I stayed at the hospital for weeks. Friends and family tried to, put me together. It was such a very, very dark time in my life. I was in a dark space mentally.
Wow, I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I decided to give life a second chance. That was when I met Flora. At first, I didn't feel anything for Flora, but later on, I started feeling something. But when I saw you, I couldn't just believe my eyes because, you look so much like Rose. I wanted to be so sure that you are not related in any way, so I had to do my findings. I crossed my T's, dotted my I's. That was when I got to know about Princess and Mrs. Bello. Yes. I got to know that Mrs. Bello is not just your mother's friend. She's also the mom of your baby daddy. I mean, the man you have a child for. Mrs. Bello is very, very, very special. Yeah, she's a brave woman, and she's very rare. She happened to be friends with my parents. You're surprised? Mrs. Bello lost her husband the same day I lost my parents. They were all on the same plane that crashed that day.
I'm so sorry about your parents. You seem like you have so much bottled in. How? Mrs. Bello never told me about this part.
I must apologize for prying into your affairs. I'm so sorry. But the truth is, apart from the fact that you look like Rose, you have a very, very beautiful smile. It warms and softens the heart.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Sir, if you don't mind, I would like to know what your relationship with your parents and Mrs. Bello and her husband was like.
Oh. Where do I start from? I wasn't even part of this whole plan. I was amongst them. I was young, I was naive, I had other plans for my life. I was 19 when I lost my parents. So I definitely had a different course for my life. But when my parents died, I had to step into my father's shoes. My father was very rich. I mean, when I say very rich, very rich. So when he died, I just had to take over the business. Now look at me, handling things like I'm 45, like I'm 50, still young.
Honestly, when I was told about this company and all the other things that you handle, including the cargo line, the transportation, telecommunication, and the real estates between the real estates abroad and home, I was like, is this man doing something spiritual?
No, please. I inherited them from my father, so I made a promise to myself that I'm going to make my dad proud, even in his absence. So that's why you see me doing all of this, Mary, if you don't mind, it's almost time for my meeting with my foreign partners. No, it's okay. We'll definitely have time to talk again. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Do you want anything?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You like her?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yes, I mean, I can't stop thinking about her.
Is it because she looks exactly like Rose?
Actually, that's what I thought at first, but come to think of it, she's kinder, she's sincere, she's soft-spoken, she's more beautiful. It's not like Rose was very bad, don't get me wrong, but she's like a better version of Rose, so yeah.
She's a single mom. Have you thought about that?
And so, okay. Single moms don't deserve love. Is that what you're saying?
She stays in her baby daddy's house. Remember, Okafor's law still exists.
Okafor? No, Okafor. I don't care. Yes, because I know for a fact that there's nothing going on between them.
Wait. All these findings, where exactly are you getting them from? Mary?
There's someone called Mrs. Bello.
Mrs. Bello? Who is that?
That is the mother of a baby daddy.
What? That's a lie.
It's the truth. In fact, this is the first woman I know to say things the way they are. She doesn't pick sides. She doesn't even support her son's mannerless behavior. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That's unbelievable.
Well, this case is different, so this is believable.
Every woman I know would instantly support her child, no matter what.
Welcome to a different case.
Okay, yes. I will. Yes.
What happened? Why they shout?
It's okay. So guess what?
What?
Yes, now.
Tell me now, what?
Frank is in town. What?
Who be Frank?
Frank now. The guy that sponsored my trip to Dubai 2 years ago. That one that got me my first car now.
Which one now? I know really the
Frank, that one that promised to take me to USA.
Oh, that one in the letter shop.
What you mean? At least be happy for me. He said he's back now to take me along with him and he's ready to do anything right by me.
And you believed him?
Yes, now.
You know the same men they lie.
Listen. See, he just sent me 5 million naira to make up for his mistakes.
5 million?
Yeah.
Wait, Mas, he sent you 5 million?
Yes.
What you do you use all them?
Come make I teach you work.
Okay, hey, Jesus Christ, you get money, yo.
Come on for you, Jared.
Now you the rain, no. Hey, my friend get money. Flora.
So I called for this meeting because I want to say something very important and something exciting. I am going to propose to my girlfriend, the love of my life, the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. And I need you all to come out here because it's going to be happening here in this living room live. I need you all to come out, dress nicely, and let's have fun. You know, celebrate me. That's all I need from you guys. I hope it's not too much to ask. That's all.
What? He wants to propose marriage to her?
Yeah, so...
Mary, can't you just expose the whole thing?
How now? You know he's also cheating on her. Yes, he has other people he's seen, so honestly, it's better like that. Tit for tat, they fit each other.
What about Mr. Jerry? He's too good. He's too good to deserve a girl like Flora. Too good to be caught in their nonsense web.
Honestly, that's true. Anyways, I don't know. All I can do is pray that God opens his eyes to see what's happening. But there's nothing I can really do, to be honest.
Wait, Mary. You sound emotional. Is there something I need to know?
What do you mean?
Do you have feelings for Mr. Jerry?
I don't understand this your question.
Anyway, if that's true, then he is lucky.
This girl. You know what? Good nights. Always with grandma now. You know the story. You know how it is. Should we hear?
Good night.
Good night.
My regards to Princess.
Bye. Go.
But you didn't tell me.
Please. Just say yes.
Okay, I'll marry you. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you people at least clap?
Offer.
Yeah, offer.
Offer.
I'm good. You need to see something.
What was that?
Did anything happen between you and Flora?
No.
Are you sure? Did you guys have a quarrel?
No, what's happening? Nothing.
You need to see something. Let's check this out right now.
What?
I'm telling you.
want to post their pictures and videos. I deliberately warned him. I told him when the time is right, I will post it. I didn't even want to accept the ring in the first place. Now Jerry has broken up with me. He didn't even let me explain. Frank has cancelled all the promises and he has broken up with me too. Oh my God.
This is going to be fine. I just want you to calm down. Just calm down, babe. Yeah? Calm down now.
Amy has ruined my chances of going to America. Femi did me dirty. I swear to God I will never forgive him. God forbid I settle with a man like that.
Just relax, babe. You're overwhelmed. I just want you to relax, okay? So, are you hungry?
Mary, so you knew about this and you kept quiet.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't want to get involved. I really wanted to stay out of it.
It must have been tough seeing your baby daddy move in such a crazy way.
I just had to accept everything life threw at me.
I'm sorry you're going through all of this. I apologize on his behalf. Please.
Thank you, sir.
Baby, have a lovely day at work today.
Try not to miss him too much.
Of course I will.
I love
I love you, babe.
Okay, I need to.
Yeah.
Go to your room.
Okay. I'll have you to the car. Let's go.
Yes. This is the 5 billion naira contract. Femi, I'll so ruin you like the way you ruin me. Where's my phone? Hello. It's okay. Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay. Yes. I'll be on my way to the airport in a few minutes' time. Yes. Yes, I'll miss you too. I'll be back in Nigeria maybe in 5 to 6 years. Okay. You know what? I'll call you back, yeah? When I get to the airport, okay? Alright, yeah. Bye.
What happened? What happened to my son?
The doctor said he'll be fine. She just attended to him.
So, what did they say? What is wrong with him?
It's floral. She stole from him. Stole his jewelry, his money, even the recent contract he got. She tore it. That contract was worth billions of naira. When he found out, he passed.
Jesus. Jesus, my Lord. Is that Jezebel? I want you, but you wouldn't listen. Look at yourself. Look at what you have done to yourself. Doctor said you'll be okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I lost you so suddenly. My world turned upside down. I feel lost and all alone, with no one else around. I can't imagine moving on without you by my side. Every day feels like a battle.
Mary, take all the time in the world before replying that message. As for today's work, we are done. Have a nice day. My regards to my daughter.
Carry on and face my fears. I know that tomorrow will bring a brighter day. Find my way through the sorrow and keep the darkness at bay. The hardship in life has weighed me down so low. Oh, I feel like I'm drowning. Oh, in this sea of woe. But deep within my soul, there's a glimmer of hope.
Of course I do. I don't know. Okay, I will. But what about Femi?
With hope in my heart, I'll find my way through the sorrow and make a fresh new start. But I'll keep.
All right, I will.
me.
Who is this?
Another person.
Another person. Okay.
Hey, I'm ready.
Wow. You are stunning. I mean, you're the most amazing woman I have set my eyes on. Come, give me a 360. Wow.
Thank you. I took my time to,
Come on, you look good.
Thank you. Oh, well, it's okay. Oh.
Wow.
What is going on?
Oh, Femi, you've met my boss. So now you're meeting him as my fiancé.
And we're getting married soon.
Maybe there's some mix-up going on.
There is no mix-up anyway. This woman here made me realize something. She said that once she finds a man, you are going to throw her out alongside this innocent baby. She was smart enough to record that very horrible statement on her phone, alongside all other nasty things you said to this innocent baby. Really? Anyways, she has found a man. And before you come here to throw her out, I'm here to take her. Young man, for your information, I love this woman. I am willing to become a very sweet and adorable husband to this lady. And also a loving father to this baby right here.
You are not taking my daughter, my baby mama, away from me. Look, I owe these people. A young man, you have no right to enter my house and put hands on what belongs to me.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. You might know me as Mary's boss. My name is O.J. Owanchinamere. And living a low-key lifestyle is just my choice, okay? You can put that on Google or ChatGPT and you'll see the number of companies I run. Hey baby, welcome to wealth and welcome to peace of mind. Shall we?
Shall.
Hey my love.
My love, come.
Come baby.
Come.
No, I'll help you, Go.
Let's go. Don't worry, baby. It's okay. There you go. Yeah.
Have a nice day, sir.
I lost you so suddenly. My world turned upside down. I feel lost and all alone, with no one else around. I can't imagine moving on without you by my side. Every day feels like a battle, just trying to survive. But I'll keep holding on through the pain and the tears. I'll find the strength to carry on and face my fears. I know that tomorrow will bring a brighter day. Find my way through the sun. The hardship in life has weighed me down so low. Oh, I feel like I'm drowning. Oh, in this sea of woe. But deep within my soul, there's a glimmer of hope. A light that shines so bright, guiding me to go. But I'll keep holding on through the rain and the tears. I'll find the strength to carry on and face my fears. I know that tomorrow will bring a brighter day. Find my way through the sorrow and keep the darkness at bay. So I'll keep moving forward with hope in my heart. I'll find my way through the sorrow and make a fresh new start.